play on the other side. And now we're on the other side. So I've been walking like 10 minutes pa lang. Wala na ako sa Picas side. It's very quick lang. Pero ingat lang dyan sa mga bato-bato, no? I had to leave the dog kay Kuan. Ay na, maliit na. Hindi na tayo. I have to leave the dog kay talira. Natiguan na siya. Yung tiil. Yung back leg. Back leg stay weak na. So I had to leave her and then take her out for another like easy walk lang. And then let her play in the water. Check this edge, oh. Hadlock siya. Give space to go. Then here we got hadlock. Bahog niya akong cellphone wa niya. Na-take up pa rin. Uy, kahadlok. Mao na to. Keep distance. Keep distance. Diri ra ko. Magbalik na ko. Di na ako maadtog Fisherman's Bay. Ang akong goal lang man is sa kaon ang kuan kanang sa may Irish Mortwood. Sa kaon lang siya. So yeah. Magpuso ta ko balik. And then kuha ng iro for her afternoon walk, and then panghatag ang mga watermelon sa mga kapitbahay. Yan yung pang harvest. So yeah, this is my exercise for the afternoon. Okay, good job, self. Good job, self, for getting out, wearing your shoes, and just, yeah. Just be able to be out here. Good job. Na ako kung makitaan diri among balay. Pero ang roof lang ang makitaan. Yeah. Somewhere there. Naog na ko, and it's like 19 minutes. Kapil na dito. Stop pag video, picture. Let's check the lookout for quick lang. hapo, but not like hapo as I was expecting. So I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Oh. Good job, Self. Ang dito ra ko ni adto oh. Kita ninyo. Somewhere din ka. Oh, ano na siya. Oh.